In this video, I'm going to show you how to overcome a common method that's being used by criminals to carjack people and worse. Let's go. Boom, boom, boom. What's up, guys? It's late at night, and all of a sudden, someone bumps into you. Looks like maybe they weren't paying attention. They just rolled into you. Let's take a look at this video. Let's start it from the beginning, and let's take a look at what I call the ABCs of personal protection, right? Situational awareness. People talk about situational awareness, but how can situational awareness be applied to your everyday life? That's where I come in. That's what I specialize on. Quick tactical protection review, learn protection strategies from a protection professional. Now, you're minding your business late at night, someone bumps into you. What's the first step I always talk about? Context. Context, homie. You better look at that context. Where are you? It's late at night, you're by yourself. What's one of the first things an aggressor or a predator always wants to do to his prey? He wants to separate his prey, right? It's not so much survival of the fittest. It's generally survival of the pack, elimination of the weakest, right? And how does elimination occur? Separation. Go watch the Discovery Channel tonight, Evan. So I'm just telling you, anytime you're in a situation where you're noticing that you're becoming more and more separated from the pack, right? Start to pay attention to the reality that you're becoming a more and more ideal target, right? And so if you're in a situation like this and you see that someone's trying to bump into your vehicle, why would they want to be bumping into your vehicle? Why are they trying to make contact with you when you're already separated from anyone who can witness what is about to happen next? Context. Where do the attacks happen? The attacks always happen on the seams. They always happen in where? Transitional spaces. You need to memorize that word. I'm in a transitional space. I'm in transit from A to B. Therefore, this is more than likely where I'm gonna get attacked. And of course, here you are in the middle of the night getting bumped into just by chance and happenstance, right? So context tells you a lot. I'm in transitional space. Hey man, it's probably not safe for me to get out of my car here. So boom, so there's that. Tactical positioning. All right, where is this person located? Where am I physically located in this space? What tactical advantages or disadvantages come with where I'm located in that space? Boom. So when I get out of my vehicle, what's gonna be my escape plan, my attack plan, and where I'm gonna go? I will be opening my vehicle. They will be coming towards me. The only real options I'm gonna have are gonna be to go directly towards them or back into my vehicle and leave, right? So you've gotta be looking at tactical positioning. These people are going to be able to watch me. They're already watching me. They already can see me. They already have visual mastery over me as I get out of my vehicle. They'll be able to see my hands as I get out of my vehicle. They have a tactical advantage over me based on what kind of visual mastery they have of the situation, right? So on context, probably not the best time to get out of the car and see what's going on, right? Tactical positioning, they seem to have an advantage of me, right? Rolling risk assessment, right? And so this is when you're assessing for risk. What types of people do these look like that are in this vehicle? Maybe I can get them to come follow me somewhere else, right? Are they operating above the baseline of acceptable behavior in that environment? In a gas station, is everyone pumping gas? Is everyone going in and out of the convenience store to get chips? Is there a creepy dude over there in a hoodie staring at me? Okay, that guy's an anomaly. My risk assessment says I'm gonna pay a little bit more attention to him. So my risk assessment says my actions are elevating my level of risk in this environment. If I get out of my vehicle and I leave my protection, right? The vehicle's a coffin if it's not moving, but if I can get it moving, I have safety. If I leave that and I go and I make contact with these unknown people behind me in this vehicle. So run those fundamentals of protection anytime you're in a situation, right? Context, tactical positioning, rolling risk assessment. Those skills of situational awareness can help you navigate an attack like this and other similar attacks that are taking place all around us every single day. ByronRodgers, man of peace. I'll see you guys on the next tactical protection review. Boom, boom, it's finally here. Go to protectornation.com to join the Protector Nation community. Learn online and become part of our Protector Nation family. I look forward to seeing you guys there.
and for us all to join forces to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. I'll see you there, and until then, be peaceful but not harmless.